This is our 2K fiber laser from Lazer. We've been using here at Hawk Off-Road for about the last year. Installation of our laser was pretty quick and easy. We had the flatbed truck show up. We had a crane to pull the laser and components off and set on machinery skates. We rolled it through the door and got it in position.
Your Lazer machine will show up on a dedicated truck. We will also arrange a local rigging company to come in and safely offload your equipment, bring it into your facility, and locate it into position. At this point, our Lazer service crew takes over the installation from the riggers, unpacks it, installs, levels, and aligns the equipment.
Besides just the laser and the bed itself, there are also 3 other components that need to be installed with the Lazer. The first is our dust collector, the IPG laser source, and the cooler for the IPG laser. The machine also requires oxygen and nitrogen to operate. Lazer was on site to direct where the placement of all the pieces go. That made installation very easy on our part. All we had to do was provide electrical hookup and compressed air. Once setup and installation is complete, the first thing we need to do is power up all the various components. On the first time that we start the machine up every day, we have to set the machine conditions. We set jog mode, feed start, and turn our drives on for the table. The next step in our startup process is to turn our laser source to robot mode. Now that everything is set up, started and ready to go, the next step is to load material and start cutting.
Their team was there to help us with the install, and it went super smooth. Within a couple hours, the machine was sitting in place, leveled, and being wired up. So later that same day, we were cutting parts on it, and it was exciting to see how quickly we could start utilizing this machine, and it fast became the heart of our entire operation.